Okay, Annie, you ready to get your toenails clipped? Huh? Yeah. Oh, come here, you. Oh, that one's really long. Oh, I'm sorry. Got a dew claw too or not? Where's your dew claw? Okay, we got that one. Let's do this one. Can you lay her on her side, Pat?
Mm.
Oh, come on, you. Yeah. We not hurt you. We just cut your toenails. Okay. We got those. What about your back ones? Says I got to claw over there. She didn't really have them, does she?
I don't think she does.
Yeah, well, give me that foot. Give me it to me. Come on. Oh, give me, come on.
She's stuck.
Yeah. Oh, we get you. Check them out. Oh, that's a big one. She's got her paws against me in the front, pushing me away. Oh. Okay, we got one more. Yeah, Baba. We do this side now. Yeah. Guess what? We're all done. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Baba. Oh, yeah. You knew we come, do you, huh? Do your toenails. You're getting
Thanks, Zach.
stuck on everything. Yeah.